followed our journey, we've actually had a bit of an issue with our battery keep cutting out the entire trip that we've had. It's been an absolute nightmare. We stayed at that park up again last night, the one that we went to before, the one in Chateau Thierry, and it's been a lifesaver. I googled this morning because we've burnt out the battery pack, the power whatever it is that we've got, and so we've had to find a garage that we could come to. We had to get someone to jump us earlier on. We've come straight to this place, the Auto Distribution Centre. We're literally a 6-minute drive away from where we were. So I'm hoping Richard's in there now, able to get us a new battery. Otherwise, we are going to end up being recovered home tomorrow. So, fingers crossed for us, guys. I said to you then, Rich.
If I can fit it, it's cheaper.
If you can fit it, it's cheaper. But they've definitely got one for us.
Just got a battery, yes.
Right, okay. So currently having to strip everything out. We didn't turn the engine off because it's not good. Looks like they might have to fit it for us. Oh dear.
Let's try and change this battery.
You was going to swear then, wasn't you, dear?
Swear, you're right.
We've been done. €40 for spanners. How much was it?
344 euros.
Just for the battery.
There's the receipt.
Yeah. So let's make sure you take your new jumper off before you start. Okay, so it was €384.53 for a new battery and a spanner set, because we didn't have the right size spanner, so we've had to buy the whole set. Needs must, unfortunately. We've just got to do it. So yeah, Rich is now gonna try and get this all changed over, and then hopefully all will be well with the cab battery. But what an absolute nightmare. Don't want it when you're on holiday, but hey ho, these things happen. You're gonna have to do it again, it stopped for some reason.
Right. Go on then, switch it on.
Oh god. Fingers crossed. Hey!
Woo! Right, let's put this
Woohoo!
safety catches on. You'll turn it off again for me now.
It saved us bacon. Yay! Oh gosh, the relief.
Well, changed the battery on the motorhome, the engine battery. Obviously the first day we got here, it needed jump starting, so I thought, okay, maybe I've left something on the way down, or whilst I was on the Eurotunnel, maybe flattened something, because it did kind of struggle to start after the Eurotunnel, so I just thought it was something like that. And then it was fine, it's been fine. Not really struggled to start at all, up until again this morning. And as Natasha said, we've had the power Sergia starter pack, and then that's gone completely now, to the point where I've burnt it out. So yeah, however, we're back at Euro Disney because we feel that this is the safest place actually to park the motorhome. Yes, it's €40 to park, but we do sleep here tonight. We did have to go away yesterday, off site, to get somewhere so we could charge the scooter. Obviously Caroline's got the scooter, as you can see. So that was totally dead after New Year's Eve. We got a little bit around yesterday in the Disney park with it, but then obviously we had to transfer to the wheelchair. But yeah, so we had to leave. But obviously Para is going to be a big thing in 2026 for the motorhome, and obviously making sure I've got MPPT, DC to DC, and maybe an inverter, and then go from there. But we're currently at the train station at Euro Disney, and we're going to head into Paris.
So we're currently on the Rue A, which is the train line directly from Disneyland Paris. We are going into Les Halles, which is in the centre of Paris, which brings us almost to the Notre Dame. Not quite to the Eiffel Tower. We've got to figure the route to get from A to B, but we'll get there when we do. But that's the route that we're going to take. We've got Mr. Stagecoach himself just up there who said, "This is the one that you need." That would be Finley, if you've not watched our previous vlogs. He's always really good at map reading and stuff like that, which is super cool. The journey should take about 40-45 minutes to get from here to there, and they run every 6 minutes, which is pretty good. Cost us €35.50 for all 5 of us for a return journey, which is actually not that bad at all when you think about it. So yeah,
We've got into Paris, but it's absolutely throwing it down.
yeah.
But we're going to find. So which way we're going?
Mom, we've been too far. No, we've gone too far now. We should have gone that one. That little road just there.
Right. Okay.
We need to go back.
Turn around. Need to go down that one apparently.
Yeah.
So I don't know whether I should take over the navigation again, because you know what Natasha's like about lefts and rights and lefts and which ways we're going. So anyway. So now Natasha's got us back on track, because she's now googled it.
Yeah, we need to take a right here.
I think you need to step that way and I'll step this way.
To take a left there,
Yes, but there is poncho to keep her dry. So we need to negotiate a little bit of Paris to go to the Notre Dame. Is the first area we're going to. Well, from what I can remember of Paris, it is yeah, very good. The River Seine. Is it Seine?
Huh?
Is it the River Seine? It is the River Seine, isn't it?
Yeah, River Seine.
Seine. So. What do you think to Paris? Paris. We've just seen the Eiffel Tower in the distance. It could be a better day, yes, you're right, it could be. But it's the 2nd of January. We might have to come back in the summer and do it all again in the summer.
Yeah.
So, when it's a little bit warmer. quiche Lorraine.
Do you know what? It was plum and beautiful. It was red hot though, perfect on.
So just obviously had a bit of food. I had omelette, Finn had a burger, 2 quiche Lorraines.
Yeah, me and Mum had a quiche and...
Ruben had a spaghetti bolognese.
Ruben had spaghetti bolognese. There's a road that you go down if you've disabled.
Yep, okay.
That's where we'll go on the way back.
Yep.
And I took a picture of this building that we're coming up to, and I was like, oh, isn't that beautiful? Whilst we were sat in the restaurant, only to realise actually that is part of the Notre Dame Cathedral, which is where we're going. So it's quite cool.
So that's where we're off to now. Yep. I can't see this Eiffel Tower thing.
No. Hang on a minute. I think we're going the wrong way. Look, pointing. It says it's there. What?
You can't see that Eiffel Tower thing.
No, because it's there, and we're here, look. And
Right, so you can't see the Eiffel Tower.
well, by that, it should be literally straight on at them traffic lights, straight on, and take a right.
Right,
Look.
so you can't see the Eiffel Tower.
Can you?
Yes, I can.
Well, must be blind then. Look.
Right. I'll adjust the camera a little bit better for you.
I found it!
We found the Eiffel Tower. Turn round, Caroline. We found the Eiffel Tower, look.
If it's this beautiful to look down, can you imagine how beautiful it looks all lit up from down there?
I'm sure we'll find out in a little bit.
So, as Richard hasn't already told you, this is the summit of Eiffel Tower. We have come to the top.
And it's bitterly cold.
Extremely cold. 2nd of January,
Yep.
something like that. Yeah, super duper cold, but so worth it.
Yes, absolutely.
Wow. Anyway, let's go have a quick whiz round and then we're going down. It's not that windy this side. Lovely, isn't it?
It is.
Ruben's just said, if you didn't know those big buildings were in Paris, if you didn't know you was in Paris, you'd think that that skyline over there was in New York.
Well, it's very true. It's very true. However, we just did look at the champagne at the top of the Eiffel Tower.
Yeah, and all we did was look.
€78 for 2 flutes of champagne.
Yeah, and they're not like normal size.
Yeah, and we're not sponsored by the Eiffel Tower, so we didn't get them. So, yeah, there we are.
Yeah, we're
coming in now. So. No, thank you. Why can't you get past strawberries and chocolate?
I can't, but then I wasn't expecting to have to get the kids them as well. So it's gone from being €10 to 30.
Oh dear, never mind. I wonder if she'll say, "Oh, chocolate," like she did in Belgium. So let's see. Let's see if she says that. I've just said that. How can she go past strawberries and chocolate and like not get some? Yeah. Yeah, no, but she went past strawberries and chocolate in Belgium and she was like, "Oh, Belgium chocolate," and she was like, really.
But she's going up from there.
Yeah. So let's see what she says. Here she comes.
I didn't need the green leaf.
What you got? Strawberries as
Want some? Stop it.
Is it as good as the Belgian chocolate?
No,
No.
but it's a pretty good chocolate.
Okay.
It says it's Parisian chocolate.
So basically, it's chocolate at the foot of the Eiffel Tower. There you
What more
go.
could go on?
Well, this is true. This is
Cheaper
true.
than champagne.
Oh, definitely cheaper than champagne. Definitely. So, right. Let's try and work our way through this little bit of a Christmas market and find the tube back.